Groucho. Groucho is called a yellow-naped Amazon parrot. Groucho, can you give everybody out there a great big hello? Nice job. Very nice. Now, yellow-naped Amazon parrots are normally found in the forests of Central America, but not Groucho. He has lived with people his entire life, and he's learned to take mimicry to a whole new level. Are you ready to show him? More amazing than that is he actually knows the lyrics to 7 different songs from beginning to end. Would y'all like to hear another song? Oh, Groucho, they're being real sweet out there. Let's do something special. Can you give everybody out there a great big kiss? Oh, what happened to the end of that one? How about, what are you looking at up there? Yeah, keep your eye to the sky, Groucho. I think we're safe though. I think those are just vultures. Yeah, don't worry. Just look alive. Okay, are you ready? Can we get a great big kiss? Oh no. Yeah, are you ready? Okay, everything's fine. We're safe up here. Oh, you want it? What? We didn't finish the kiss. You gotta do your kiss. How about a great big kiss? There we go. Good stuff, that kiss. I agree. Nice job, Groucho. Okay, now you can pick any of the other songs you would like to sing for everyone. Are you ready?
Hi. Hello. Hi. I just come. Ooh. Is that it? Got any more?
Хулиган. Ты хулиган. Давай тебе давай. Hello. Какой классный, боже, я бы с ним часами разговаривала. Короче, Гоша, я тебя похищаю. Скажи звук.
Chloe, pretty girl. Hi, Chloe. Where's the key cat? Hi, Chloe. You gonna sing? I love you. What you doing? Hello. Hello. Where's the kitty cat? Where's the kitty cat? What you doing?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Hi. What you doing, huh? Okay.
Chloe. What you doing, huh? Chloe, pretty girl. Chloe, do you want a treat? Want a treat? Are you done? You don't like the camera, do you? No, no bites. No bites. You step up. Oh, shame on you. Step up. Step up. Step. Step up. Thank you. Good girl. Good girl. You done? Okay.
What's up?
Your dogs. What's the dog say? What's the dog say, Chloe? What's that dog say? The puppy says woof woof. What's the dog say?
Hi, Chloe, pretty girl.
Pretty girl.
Pretty girl. So right in the back. What's she get up? What's she get up? What?
Say bye-bye. Say ciao, Bella. Ciao, Bella.